Hello guys, welcome to Pentesters Club. Today we are going to discuss some new topic, BruteLoop. So what is BruteLoop? In a deep simple library providing the foundational logic for efficient password to brute force attack against the authentication interfaces. And modular example is included with the library that demonstrate how to use this package is fully functional and provides a multi brute force modules. So we can see in this video. So protocol Agnostic. If a callback can be written in Python, brute force can be used to attack it. So you send to your friend a wrong person some XYZ money, so you can call back that fund within 3 days. Okay, but your friend can stop that callback with this Python script, either in banking system, either in any other systems also. Okay. Number 2, SQLite support. All usernames and password will be gathered with end websites and companion utility of the database manager. You can change even the database, including your database in the online, either in the schools, colleges, universities, XYZ with this tool. Okay. Spray and suffering attacks in one tool. Brute force loop supports both the spray and suffering attack in the same attack of logic database, meaning that you can configure a single database and run the attack without heavy reconfigurations and confusion. Guest scheduling. Each username in the SQLite database is configured with a timestamp that is updated after each authentication event is mean. We can significantly reduce the likelihood of locking accounts by scheduling each authentication event by precision. Fine-grained configurability to avoid lockout events. Microsoft's lockout policies can be matched one-to-one BruteLoop parameters. Auth threshold, lockout threshold, maximum authentication jitter, lockout observation window. So timestamps will be given for every cracking or brute force also. Okay, there is timestamps between like 100 to 200 seconds, and each usernames and passwords to receive a distinct timestamps to crack to get the real value of that one. So attack resumptions. Stopping and resuming an attack is possible without worrying about losing your place at the attack of locking accounts. So once you are going to attack some accounts either on Netflix, Amazon, G5 or anything, so you can stop the attack and you can resume after that also, because you are losing accounts or losing the combos while making from the website. So no need to worry about that. So multiprocessing either by cracking through combos through the right username and password, either password through right usernames, either usernames to the right password. So this is called a multi-thread processing. So logging. So after cracking and everything is done, so you are going for logging, and authentications even can be optionally logged on the disk. And this information can be useful during the teams by providing customers with their details attack. So once you get all the info, you have all the info, but sometimes we can only get usernames and passwords, either their email address and password, either there is some database. So with that database we are using, and we are try to revert back and log in over there and get the whatever we required. So how we need to use these tools. So first we need to check the attackable service, and number 2, if one is not already available in the example. Okay, we don't have any examples on that these things. In the directory build a callback, we need to build a callback options. It's already inbuilt in the tool. Find some usernames and passwords and the credentials. We need to find some usernames and passwords, or else we need to make the combos. Okay, and construct a database by passing the authentications data to dbmanager. So we need to construct the database on the on the any other thing, like on any other website, and match it is working through correct or not. And it relevant enumerate the request and uh, add lockout policy and intelligently configure the attack, so that will be regret all the regret and enumerate all the real and valid informations in one sheet, in one text document. Execute the attack in alignment with the target lockout policies, like one, like 1 2 3. So what I told you, if it work, so you can continue the process of the attack. So we will look it out how this will work. So we copy this. So in meanwhile time, run. So in meanwhile time, open the terminal. So paste the repository. github.com. BruteLoops. So I done some mistake. Ouch. So why it's taking so we can see here, so whatever we discussed in the past, okay, we need to set up first here. So find the attackable service. We need to find some attackable service. If one is already available, so if you have already available, so you can run the example.python in the directory, or else build a callback attack. So here is, this is the callback attack. Okay, number 2, find some usernames and passwords. So for this one we can directly do a compose. Okay, no problem. Construct the database by passing the authentication data. So in the dbmanager.py you can verify, so this is from this website, usernames or passwords is valid or not. Okay, Uh, Number 4, if relevant, enumerate a request and AD lockout policy to intelligently configure the attack. So you can enumerate the much more informations of that from that website's usernames and passwords and much informations and work. Execute the attack in alignment with the target policy. So we can run now. So it will setup.python, no comments. So install build up. So it's going for installation. So you can see here BruteLoops examples, everything. So we can look it out how this BruteLoops examples for dependencies links.txt. So you can add dependencies of your links here, and package info requires.txt. So build ride Python assembly request as SQL data sources. So sources is here, how this will work. Top level txt, BruteLoops, come back. So we can build anything from here. Library, foods, examples, modules, Python, nothing else. So here is the callback options. So we can use this one. We can for BruteLoops Python. So this is another one. So it's already installed. So we need to run now. Press X. So we need to run this. How we do the run? Look it out. So you can use authentication thread holder, Mason, authentication jitter main, jitter main. You can use this one. So you need first of all database file to import over there, and you need to run this tool, and we can run another one. So we can run the dbmanager.py, BruteLoop. So dump valid credentials values, import spray values, import credential value, delete spray value. So we need to input the db file, then we need to work. So this is how this tool works. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.